In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to buy ACH token with fiat currency on Gardarian. If you want to know more information about the coin you are interested in, head to the currencies at the upper of the homepage. Find ACH in the list of coins available to buy or sell. Select a fiat currency and enter the amount you'd like to spend. Please pay attention to the minimum amount, which is €75. Choose your preferred payment method. For each transaction, we provide exchange details. Gardarian has a service fee and bank fee. One may vary depending on the payment method you choose. The expected exchange rate is the rate at the moment of calculation. Gardarian does not charge you with additional or hidden fees. After you read the terms of service, fill in your wallet address and confirm that you have full access to it. Write your phone number for SMS verification. Your number is needed for further verification steps, and Gardarian will never bother you with a call. Enter the SMS code next. After this, we have to verify your identity. Choose your document type and take a photo of it. The next step is facial verification. Turn on your camera, place your face within the frame and roll the head in a circular motion. Most verifications are processed within a few minutes. The status will automatically update once the verification is completed. After this, you'll need to perform the payment. While performing the bank transfer, don't forget to include the reference number. Please note, payment from another person's account and payment without reference would be cancelled. The exchange will be performed after we receive the payment.